What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Toyota remote key fob. This key fob is going to be for Toyota vehicles that have a push button start ignition. It's going to be one of the options. There's a couple different ones. And it's going to use replacement battery CR2032. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these batteries if you're in need. The first thing we want to do is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of our key fob. That's done by pressing this button on the side, and then the key will slide out like that. Now if we take a look at the bottom, near where we pulled the emergency key out of, we see this slot right here. And if you notice, there's a little bit of a lip on the end of this key. What we're going to do is put the key in that slot, and then we're going to twist it like this, like we're unlocking a lock. So put it in that slot, make sure you have it all the way in, and then twist, and it's going to pop the shell apart like that. And now we see our battery right here. For some reason this one has a green sticker on it. You can use the key, the end of the key, to help you get the battery out. Get under the edge of the battery, carefully pop it out like that. We'll grab our new battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side up, like that. And now make sure your circuit board is sitting in that rubber piece properly in case it got moved around when we opened it. And then go ahead and snap the two halves back together. Put the emergency key back in. And that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.